Hi, my name is Peter Espig. I'm the CEO of Nicola Mining. We trade on the TSX Venture under the ticker NIM. So Nicola Mining is very unique in that we have a base foundation, and that foundation is our mill. We're the only mill permitted in British Columbia to accept gold and silver mill feed from anywhere in the province. But we also have the exploration upside, and that upside is the copper asset that we have at the historic Craigmont Mine, and we continue to do ongoing exploration. And the third aspect that we have is Treasure Mountain, and that's a silver mine. And we continue to review the opportunities of the silver mine, and if silver goes above $20, we'll look at reopening that mine. I think the most important thing about the mill itself is that, you know, as an investor, and I invest in other companies as well, is that you want to minimize dilution to shareholders. So what that does is the revenues from the mill brings in revenues, and we can allocate that towards corporate to exploration. The copper upside is very exciting because we have several targets, and these are not new targets, these are known targets because the mine itself shut down in 1988, and when they shut down, they left the copper resource in situ. So we're going back and we're exploring those projects. 2018 is going to be a very exciting year for Nicola because we're going to execute on several milestones on our operations. And what is a unique characteristic about Nicola is that we own the land freehold, so we own our own land. It's fully permitted. And on the exploration upside, we've raised the money last year, so we're fully funded to do the entire 2018 exploration program. We're very confident that it's going to be very successful, so I think people should continue to follow us. One of the questions I get asked from investors a lot are, can you explain how the profit share agreements work? And the profit share agreements are very simple. The miner pays for the cost of mining, the miner pays to ship it to us, we pay for the cost of milling, everybody gets reimbursed, and it's a 50-50 profit split. So it's not your typical toll milling. We are really true partners in that we unlock the value of the gold, but we also get 50% of their gold. I think Nicola, what makes us unique, it's the old cliche that, you know, the most important asset we have is our people. And we do have great people, but we also have great assets. And I think the combination of great people, which allows the company to execute on operations, cash flow, creativity, on how do you monetize and maximize the value of your assets. But on the exploration side, the assets are the assets, and grades are the most important thing. And you know, the historic Craigmont Mine had an average grade of the mine in the pit of 1.28%. The underground was 2.8%. So we're talking about upside in exploration on a very prolific mining opportunity here. If you would like to get more information on the company, please go to our website, which is www.nicolamining.com. Or if you have a question, please contact us at info@nicolamining.com. And if you go to the website, what you'll see is we have the corporate presentation. We go into the projects and we go into detail on every little project and the targets that we have for this year.